Hello beautiful people, it's your boy Sunny Media. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Sunny. Hit the subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload video, you get notified and watch. And what I usually do in this channel is to promote Africa, to showcase Africa to the world. Yes, I show places, especially achievements, good achievements in Africa. But currently I'm still in Kumasi, showcasing Kumasi, achievements in Kumasi. It's still Africa, part of Africa. Yes. So I've not started traveling to other places, but very soon I'll start traveling to other places, other African countries. Yes, but if you want to be seeing the things, achievements in Kumasi, just follow this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I showed you Asafo line interchange, and I also showed you Asokwa interchange, and so many places I've showed you in this channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you Asafo interchange, guys. Asafo, I'm currently there recording at Asafo interchange, so I'll be taking you through and show you by drone. But if this drone couldn't show you what you need, just know because my drone crashes. When I was about to fly it up, the thing crashed. Yes, the wind blew this drone on the ground. And so many things in the drone spoil. So this is the problem we content creators we are having, especially those that have drone. At times your drone will fly and it won't come back. At times your drone will crash and you can't pick it up again. A car will mash it, and all your the drone that you bought a big amount of money will just spoil. So this is a problem we are having always. So my own crashes, but thank God I was able to, pick up the pieces of it and, super glue them and, straight fly it again to see whether it will capture something. But I think it couldn't capture the whole interchange as I wanted to do it. So anyhow we see it, just take it like that. To just know that because of the crashes of the drone, that makes it to be so, that makes today's video to be so. So I will be taking you through from the drone, the one I will be able to capture, to show you in Asafo interchange.
Welcome to Asafo interchange here in Kumasi, Ghana. This construction of this interchange was necessitated by the huge traffic jams that surrounded the Asafo market area in Kumasi here. The street around the market led to the KJTR market, the West Africa's largest open market. The John Kufuor administration in 2005 awarded the contract for the construction of this interchange to ease the traffic situation. The interchange was commissioned on the 9th of November 2007. It was built by an Italian construction firm. The construction of this interchange was part of several developmental projects that the then government initiated to improve the landscape of Kumasi so as to restore the city to its former status as Ghana's garden city. The interchange, which the one you are watching right now, was the first to be built in the Ashanti region. But there was some controversies about, what the name of this interchange should be. Prior to the commissioning of this interchange, Nana Ampofo Bafo, chief of Asem, complained about the name for the interchange. Yes, Asem is the town in which this interchange is located. So the chief wanted the interchange named after the town Asem. He was of the view that major landmarks in his town, such as the Asafo market, had all been named with no mention of his town. Though his submissions to town authorities on the matter were rejected, Bafo vowed to continue until the interchange was renamed. But the Asafo Royal Stew in Kumasi has stated that it is only the Asante Henen, which is the Asante King, who has the authority to change the name of this interchange. In a reaction to claims by Nana Asem Henen, which is the king of Assam, that the interchange is situated on Assam's two lands and that the name should not be Asafo Interchange. Then the Asafo Royal Stew pointed out that Nana Assam Henen, which is Assam King, had no power to change the name. So the name continued to be Asafo Interchange up to date. Enigmatic Scorpio is watching from Washington, D.C. Expert Clean is watching from Accra, Ghana. Austin 1 is watching from Paris. Calvin Leslie Boateng is watching from Netherlands. Steve is watching from Lome, Togo. Let me know where you are watching from so I can mention you in my next video.
Were you able to see everything? I'm sure that today's drone couldn't capture the whole thing the way you need. Because of my drone that crashes, yes, some of the things are spoiled in the drone, but we are not going to give up because of it. Yes, we will continue to push up, pushing. So tell me in the comment section how you see this place. So if you have not subscribed, turn on the notification bell for you to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Yes, and also share this video also support us by super thanks. All right, so see you in my next video. Bye for now.